In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a transparent image in Krita. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is have an image you want to export. So I have this logo of my channel over here, and as you can see, the background right now is not transparent. So to do this, it's very simple. All you have to do is hide this background over here. So usually, pretty much every time you'll have the background layer, you want to hide it like this, and it's going to basically make the background transparent just like that. And then what you want to do here as well is go to the top, and you can see there's like a bunch of different toolbars. You want to click on the image one while you have the background selected here, and from here you want to go to properties and you want to select background opacity to 0. Okay, whenever you do that, click on OK, and you can go to file top left and then export. When you click on that, you have to give it a name and make sure it's a PNG. So you have a bunch of different options. Select PNG and then give it a name. I'm just going to name this one test123.png and then save it where you want to and click on save. Now you're going to have these options over here as well. And what's very important is that you actually select store alpha channel transparency. So check mark this and click on OK. Then it's going to start exporting, and you'll see that inside your folder where you saved it, it's basically going to give you a file, and this is the one for me. As you can see, it's a transparent image. It's only the image without the background itself. Okay, so that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.